Hey everyone, welcome back to Modern Retro Gal. My name's JL. Today's video, we are going to be catching up with Belle Blossom's Blossom of the Month Club. Can you guess how many months I'm behind? I probably have it in the name of this video, but here we are. Yes, so we'll be looking at 3 blossoms this month. So sit down, get a drink and a snack. We'll try and get through these blossoms as quickly as possible. For my newer subscribers, I have seen my subscriber count going up. I would love to get to know you better. So please be sure to say hi down below in the comment section. And even my longtime subscribers, I'd love to chat with you guys. So be sure to say hi down below. If you are new, if this is the first time you have found my channel, hello, it's so nice to meet you. I hope you will stick around and click that subscribe button down below and the little bell so that you're always notified when I upload. I like to do makeup videos, skincare videos, fashion-y videos. I'm including this as fashion. Every once in a while I do something hair related. Yeah, I'd love to have you stick around for that. So let's get into the blossoms. So as I mentioned, we are 3 months behind. I think technically 2 months behind because the last box is the August blossom, which just went out. So I'm 2 months behind and a month on schedule. Maybe I'm just 3 months behind. I don't know. So let's get into it. This first one is the June blossom, and I'm gonna tell you, I did look at it and put it in my hair for something. I can't remember what. I think maybe for a video. I don't even know. But I love it. It is so beautiful. The name of the blossom is Kai. And it's all Hawaiian inspired, so it has this really cute little postcard that she put it on. Hopefully this isn't backwards and you can see it. But yes, so when I first opened it, the first thing, I'm not gonna lie, the first thing that I did was smell it. That's how realistic Belle Blossoms hair blossoms are. I honestly put it to my nose and smelled it. You know, she went to college, she graduated, but nobody's saying she's a genius, okay? All right, so here is the June blossom. Just look how gorgeous this is. This is what I went in to smell right away. It smells like a fake flower. It doesn't smell like anything, but I just love all the little detail and all the little extras and all these things. It's got a really nice clamp on there, the top part of it and the clampy clamp part. Someday I'll remember what the terminology is for all this. But for the end, it's all nice and covered, which is really great. You get less tangles in your hair and it just looks better. So if we just kind of scooch it on in, this is how it would look from this direction, which I just think it's so pretty. It's just gorgeous. And then if we wanted to wear it with the other side showing, we can even wear it in the same spot. You don't have to do it on either side, which I love about these blossoms. They're multi-directional, if I can talk. And here it is kind of generally in the same spot. But they're multi-directional so that you can wear them in either direction on the same side of your head. So it's not necessary that it only is going to work on one side of your head. They work on the back or the front, the sides, the top, whatever. So this is the June blossom. It is just gorgeous. I love it. She knocked this one out of the park. I apologize for being so late and getting to these, but yeah, if you miss a blossom and you're like, man, I really wish that I had been able to grab that one. She does do custom blossoms, so you can say, oh, I saw your June Blossom of the Month Club. I would really like something similar. I don't know if she'll do an exact one, like replica, but she'll do something very, very similar. So there is June. I cannot wait to see July and August. I know they are going to be amazing. So here is August. These ones I have not looked at. I just opened the boxes before I started filming. They always come wrapped in tissue paper, and oh, they're so pretty. Oh my goodness. This is the new and updated Dorothy's Poppy. Look at that color. Oh, so good. I am so happy this is coming up so like jewel toned and vibrant on camera, because that is exactly how it looks in person. The little note on here is never be afraid to be a poppy in a field of daffodils. Michaela DePrince. You can also be a daffodil in a field of poppies if you want, girl. But this is how it looks. It's got a nice felt covering. It's a smaller like pin curl clamp for this one, but it has a nice felt covering in the same color as the poppy. Look at the detail on the center. Oh, it's just so good. So good. How pretty is this? I apologize. I should have opened these and done a video sooner. Oh my goodness. It is gorgeous. I love it. So, so good. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. I love different colored poppies to wear in your hair. I think they're one of the easiest styles of a flower to wear in your hair, because they're nice and big. They're usually very bright, and they sit really nicely on the head. It works with a lot of different hairstyles. So if you're not really sure where to start with hair flowers, poppies are always a good place to start. And last but certainly not least, it's August this month, right on time. Let's pull it out. Everything comes in these really like beautiful floral tissue papers, which I think is such a nice touch. I don't even know what flower it is, but I saw the color and it's so pretty. Oh. Okay, so this is the Marley. It is a double flower this month. So we got two smaller flowers. So you can see compared to the poppy, it is slightly smaller in comparison. Here, let me pull one off so you can see the profile. So a little bit smaller, not a ton, but yeah, it is a little bit smaller. Oh, the little sprigs, and look at the center detail. Again, we've got a pin curl clip, and these are covered in coordinating felt, which I think is a great little design. Oh, I just love this so much, you guys. Oh, she does so amazing with these. Look at how cute we are. Oh my goodness. I could even put them closer. You could kind of get it in there like that. My fake ponytail is going all kinds of crazy. You could wear it like a headband. You could have them waterfalled. You could do this high up. Let me find the clip. We could do them lower. Oh, so cute. Can you even stand it? Because I really can't. I can't even handle it. The little quote that came this month says, happiness held is the seed. Happiness shared is the flower. So cute. I don't think I showed you the actual little card for July. So that's what July's card looks like. Really, really cute. Love it. Love all of these. Every month hit out of the park. These are so good. I'm so excited to have these in rotation. So yeah, if you have not subscribed to Belle Blossoms Blossom of the Month Club, you need to do it. I will have the link down below. It will have all the info for domestic, Canadian, and international shipping. This collar is driving me crazy. I need to press it down better. Anyways, yeah, you need to join. I love these. I love them. I love them. I love them. They're so, so good. So I do need your help with one thing. I am trying to reach 2,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So if you have not subscribed yet, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Super easy. Just click the little subscribe button and you're set. You're good to go. I hope you are all doing well. I hope you've had a great summer. We are kicking back into back to school time. My oldest started high school already, and then my youngest that I homeschool is starting next week. So things are going to be busy, but we're sort of getting back into that normal routine. So yeah, summer, that's kind of it for our summer. Yeah, I hope you guys have had a great summer, and I hope to see you in the next video.